What's going on, guys? So I had to jump on here and make a quick intraday video and talk about the overall markets. So what we're looking at here is the daily candlesticks on the triple Qs, the NASDAQ 100. We are down 10 points on the day, 3%. So a big level that we were looking at yesterday, off that dead cat bounce, was anything over 330 potentially had room for a continuation of a dead cat bounce. Obviously very early off pretty much the word go. That did not come to fruition, and the market pretty much sold off today without even a downtick. Now what we're looking at here, and if you guys watched my video yesterday, this double bottom that we had down here from February as well as March, this 317 318 level remains the line in the sand here. So each time that we came down into this area, we bounced. We came down into this area, we bounced. Could this be a triple bottom? It is yet too early to identify and tell. But what I want to kind of point out here is that I want to make this very clear. If the NASDAQ 100 loses $317 and we break through these lows that we had here, we are going into an absolute bear market that could take us months and months to get back out of, meaning that we could be looking at the rest of 2022 as a very down cycle choppiness market with some green days sprinkled in between, and then trapping those bulls and then rolling over in the weeks to come. The bulls absolutely need to hold 317.33 today. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. If you are a longer term investor, meaning you have a portfolio built up and you have a lot of mega cap stocks, hell, if you have a lot of small cap stocks in here, times are definitely tough. I get it. I'm not a long-term holder. I'm just simply a day trader. I like to be able to sleep at night. I don't like having my money tied up, especially in volatile times like this. I like to be able to get in and out. Here's something that I really want to keep on notice for the rest of the day, going into the rest of this week. I will be looking at this 317 level for a short position for a day trade, along with trading the stocks in the NASDAQ 100, which is your stocks like Apple, your stocks like Tesla's got absolutely hammered, Microsoft's, Facebook's of the world, your Netflix's, your Amazon's of the world. If we do lose the 317, expect significant legs down in all of those stocks and kind of trade them accordingly, meaning that as soon as we lose that 317, be looking for a short position on those stocks or even the triple Q's ETF. And if we get back over the 317, 318, think about exiting that position just to kind of keeping those losses tight to the vest. Now, as we get into the middle and later half of this week, we have all of the big dog players as far as earnings coming up here. So could tech save from a potential bear market? What does that mean? Even though we've been down, and we've been down pretty significantly since the start of 2022, if we somehow get some sort of boost with the earnings coming up and we make this in fact a triple bottom, then potentially there will be a dead cat. Now, can we start calling this the bottom to load up on? Absolutely not. We would need to reclaim the 50-day moving average. We would need to reclaim the 20-day moving average, and we would need to get back over the 200-day moving average, which is sitting way up at $368. But it's baby steps at a time. We're going to need to take out the 50-day moving average as well as the 20-day moving average first. If we can do that, maybe dead cat bounce off some incredible earnings and guidance going forward and get some sort of bounce, then those are the supply levels that we can start attacking, and we can use that low of 317 kind of as our marker, meaning that, if earnings are good and we do get some potential bounces, that we can potentially hold those plays as long as the triple Qs are trading over 317. Now, here's where things get a little bit hairy and a little bit complicated for newer traders. You see 1 or 2 days worth of green, earnings come out, things start exploding. Looks like this is the triple bottom. You get in, you're making some money, things start to stall out. We come and we lose the 317 area on the triple Qs, and you continue to hold your position. That's where you're going to make the mistake and get clipped. Make sure that if you are going to bounce off this 317 area, 318 area, that you absolutely use that as your stop loss. Guys, I hope this helps. If you guys want to trade with me, or you guys are looking to day trade, first things first, get access to my trading strategy on how to trade the market open like a boss. The first 1 to 2 hours of the market open each and every single day. It's a fantastic strategy, beginner friendly, that you can use as a tool to come into the markets each and every single day and kind of trade that first 1 to 2 hours. It's completely free. It's 30 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Also, if you guys want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys on the next trading video.